it's Melissa and Tango with WTI. Tango loves to lounge and snooze for at least 22 hours a day, and this heated dog bed by HyphessAda is exactly what she needed to get maximum comfort while she enjoys rest and total relaxation. I was really impressed with the quality of this dog bed. The memory foam is made of high density and it's resilient to Tango's weight, and it's really comfortable. Tango immediately recognized it as being comfortable and laid right on it. She's a bull mastiff and she slobbers a lot, so I was really happy it came with a waterproof cover. And I was equally impressed with this cover because it wasn't just a plastic cover as I've seen with some dog beds, but it has a silky soft feel and it is completely water resistant. The heating pad slides on easily and it has 3 modes. Its material is heavy and it feels really durable. The slip cover is so soft and the bottom has grippers so that it won't slide around. The cover fits on really easy and I love that it has an extra long cord and the cords are protected by a really strong flexible cover. It's easy to switch between heat modes and it works really well. I left it out in our seasonal room overnight. That room doesn't have heat and the floor gets cold, so I was really thrilled because the next morning the bed was still warm and cozy. Tango has an extra large. She's a big girl at about 119 pounds. She has plenty of room to stretch out and I can even sit comfortably on it with her. She loves her bedding fluffed and washed on a regular basis, and this cover is removable so that I'm able to do that, especially if we've had it outside in our barn. And that's our point of view.